Sky's dodgy-box legal letters are a bit of a bluff, as the media giant is unlikely to go after all the people it caught using an illegal streaming service, a digital rights lawyer has claimed. Around 200 dodgy-box users across Ireland received legal letters from Sky threatening action if they pay for illegal streaming services again. The letters urged recipients to sign a settlement agreement within 14 days and avoid the matter escalating to court, where they could face paying damages and legal fees. TJ McIntyre, an associate professor in the UCD Sutherland School of Law and chairperson of Digital Rights Ireland, described the letter as a little bit of a bluff. He added that Sky were not going to sue several hundred people under any circumstances. The capacity just isn't there, and the cost of doing it just wouldn't make sense, he said. Sky insisted that it was serious about progressing legal claims against those who do not comply with the legal letters. With this action, our focus is on stopping illegal piracy and protecting the value of the content we invest in, it said. Our intention is to first engage with each of these individuals by way of correspondence. If an individual does not cooperate with Sky in the way it's set out in the letter, we are prepared to issue a legal claim against that person. The amount of damages people might pay would not compare to legal costs, McIntyre said. Such bills could run to several €1,000s, and that is before having to pay legal costs for the other side if you lose. McIntyre added that many of the recipients were likely to sign the settlement. In his view, Sky was offering those caught using dodgy boxes the opportunity to make the whole thing go away for nothing.